evening to all the esteemed guests and all the staff of the college and my dear students. Really, I feel very proud to be a part of you today in the International Women's Day celebrations in this college, CMR College. Nothing more to say about the women because I think you all have inspired by the speeches of the Sandhya madam and Madhupriya and everyone. So I want to share a few words of my own life. See, like a coin has two sides, even the woman life has the two sides. A negative side and positive side. What we feel, we don't have negative side, but we think that we are weak and most of the people will be going on that side, but we should not go on that side. We should be on the positive side. See, to empower a woman is to empower a nation. Means women can do anything for the family, for the society and even for the economy. So if we are good in maintaining our family, so it will be changing even the total society and the country also. So in my childhood, my father used to inspire me a lot. So that is the reason I could participate in all the games and everything in academic issues as well as the games. Even I have to go to the nationals, and every time my father used to inspire me a lot. So likewise, I have completed my MSc microbiology. Then I came to my married life. Even there, I am lucky to have a inspired husband. So when I'm blessed with the kids, I was totally dedicated to taking care of them only. But after last year, my husband is very much interested in the politics. He used to do something to his village people, but he didn't get the opportunity for that because it has been reserved for the ladies. So he asked me, he was forcing me to join, but I was feared because I have to take care of my kids. My kids are very small. But he said, no, I'll cooperate with you. We should do this because if the power goes, I want to serve the people, but if power is in with my hands, so I can do more better. So with his words, I could do this, and we have won in the elections. I was very happy because my husband has given me the opportunity to serve the people. There in the budget sessions, he used to fight for the welfare of the female society because some reservations and whatever the budget schemes and some schemes are there for especially for the women to stand on their own legs. So I got the opportunity to do something for the womanhood. Really, I am very proud. And what I want to say today is we have to be positive. And what I have said about my father and my husband is that in every family, the brother, father, husband, if they cooperate with us, we can do anything. So we have to make them to be positive and make us to do something in the life. If every family is ready to do this, then the total society can be cool. So we don't have to listen all these crimes and anything. So we have to check in the family that to maintain the positive attitude in our own family, so that all the mankind can go through this and we can have a peaceful city or the country. So what I want to give a message is nothing but please be positive and be positive for the women welfare in your family first. Then we can go for the benefit for all the country and worldwide. So I'm very thankful to the members of this college who have given me this opportunity to share a few words with you. Thank you, girls. Thanks, everyone.